This afternoon I'm going to take you through the unboxing of the new Nokia 603, which I recently received from a competition on the net under Nokia Connects. Hi, my name's Aaron Godwin, and I've just received today from Nokia Connects the new Nokia 603 for a 2-week trial from a competition I won on the Nokia Connect website on Facebook. Alright, let's unbox and see what we've got. First of all, I'm not sure whether this is the official case you get, or the Nokia trial users case, but it's very sweet. It's made out of some sort of metal. Very nice Nokia. Okay, some sort of documentation. Some advertising for Nokia Drive. Other standard bits of Nokia information. Alright, here's the phone. The new Nokia 603. I believe it's a mid-range model, so we're not going to have all the bells and whistles on here, but it still features the Bell operating system, which is Nokia's new Symbian operating system, and I've been using it on my N8 for a while, and it's awesome. Alright, so features that I can see. We have a micro USB port for charging. What's there? Looks like a lock button. Okay, what else? We've got standard volume controls, camera control. Interesting, we've also got a call receive button. Looks like a power button. Actually, there's hard keys on the base of the phone there. Something I haven't tried on a Nokia touchscreen before. Okay, on the back we've got the 5 megapixel camera, Carl Zeiss lens, I hope. Looks like a speaker, and I believe this case is removable, so you can change with different colours. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so we'll put that there and have a look at what else we've got. As part of the trial, I've also got this new Nokia headset to try out, which I believe may be coming with this Nokia 603. Not quite sure what it does or how it works yet, but we'll give it a go. Next we have the standard Nokia power brick, but what I really like is it's a micro USB port. Something that I really liked on my N8, being able to charge from micro USB. Not a real big fan of the Nokia's standard powering solution over the years, but the micro USB fits really well. It sits into the phone nice and snug. But yeah, this is obviously a UK model, which is massive. I've never seen a charger that big before. This is what we're used to in Australia. Yeah, you can see the difference. One's sexy, one's not. Alright. Okay. We have another micro USB connect cable. That would be for the computer. We have, looks like a standard Nokia headphone as well, so we'll give that a try as well. And of course the battery, so it's obviously a removable battery, a lithium ion battery, 1,300 milliamp hours. So let's hope that lasts quite a while. And that's the box, the unboxing. Alright, I shall charge it up and see how we go. Okay, this is the instruction manual in English for the Nokia 603. Okay, first thing I have to do is remove the cover. Let's see if I can get on that. Man, it doesn't want to focus. All right. Okay, so I've got to remove the back cover off, put our SIM card in. I'm not going to use a SIM card because I won't be able to use my N8, but I might be able to get a cheap one and see what it can do. Alright, we'll just run through this. Okay, so there's a little, I don't know whether you can see that, a little finger mark there. Fingernail goes in. There we go, we're off that easy. Hopefully it doesn't come off that easy once it's back on. Alright, here's the phone. Okay, we've got the... Come on, Mr. N8. Please focus, 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 focus. And the old slow focus, come on. Alright, for some reason it doesn't want to focus, but let's bring it back a bit. Okay, we have just up in this corner a slot for the micro SIM, and we've also got a slot for the micro SD card, which just goes in the side there. And obviously the battery covers that up. So there's the battery. So I'm just going to put the battery in for now. I don't have a SIM or a micro SD to put in, so I'll just put the battery in that way. That's on. That's on. As easy as that. Alright, so Nokia. Okay, I'm just going to go and plug it in and let it charge. Alright, so now I'm charging the new Nokia 603. Now I'm using something that maybe Nokia should look at supplying with their phone instead of the standard charger. This is something we get with our Telstra plug for Telstra in Australia, their little wireless modem. As you can see, it's got a little micro USB port on the back, but it's a Wi-Fi modem, works off the 3G network, 3.5G network, and you can connect up to 5 computers or what else, wireless printers, all that sort of stuff, just a wireless modem. But the really cool thing is it comes with this little power pack down here, which has this nice little USB connector on the end, and you get a nice long USB cable, which, funnily enough, because it's micro USB, fits into a lot of things, including the new Nokia 603. So there you go, Nokia. If you want to make one change to your release of this phone, that would be it. Yeah, as you can see, the phone, it is charging up, believe me, because when I work out how to turn it on, well, there we go. So here we go, it's coming on. Okay. Alright, we're going to go English because I can't understand any other language, unfortunately. Alright, I'm going to select my country. We can type it in here. Australia. Austria? No, Australia. Alright, I normally live in Cairns, but at the moment I am in Adelaide, so how about we'll just search for that again. Not Darwin, no, Mr. D. Back. Adelaide right at the top. Our date is the 28th of the 2nd, 2012. Okay, time is I'm not sure whether it's in 24-hour time or not, so we'll just say 18. Okay, there you go. We're flashed up with the new Bell home screen. This can be customized however you like. Alright, but I think you can have up to 6 home screens, and it's just a swipe to get between them. Yeah, so that's the new Bell operating system. But you can customize this however you like, which I've done to my N8, and have all the things that are on there that I like. But yeah, over the next 2 weeks I'll give the new 603 a good trial. I'll let you all know how it goes. Bye bye.